Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Sangma. Habakren halor ke jingpen bet ya ki kenram hal Lapangap. Ulaong bana kaliang jong ula dep banyakren bat Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Assam Himanta Beswa lingba ka phone call na kabenta ban penbet ya kajing kendo lang ha kini kisngi shwa kalai Hapoh Tarik menta ubenai. Konrad ulaong ba Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Assam ula katpat ban penlong ya kajing kendo lang shwa kalai Hapoh Tarik. Namar uhap bandet Shah Delhi ha katayo beningkong jong ubenai jeliu. Konrad ula Kyntu ya kinong shnong ka Lapangap bakin yai ap shipor da ka baong bana kaliang ki Artylli ki Sorkar na baro Artylli ki Jylla ki bakan thop lang ki board senchar kata ya CEM Karbi Anglong kumju ki MLA ka Lapangap ki ba lele kat bala ban yakren penbet ya ki kenram bat ki jing ban yai Shah shipor bat ukermen bakin sala ban penbet ya kane ki jing kabala ne labun bun snem.
Assam CM in the afternoon, and he is traveling to Delhi post 30th, and we have got our own engagements before the 30th. So he was requesting if we could meet before 30th. So I'll have to see if I can change my programs or not. Otherwise, it will be postponed by about a week, 10 days. So we're just trying to work out, but we are in constant touch, and like before. Himantaji and I share a very positive and a very good relationship. We have always tried to work out keeping the state's understanding and the people's interest in mind, and trying to balance out things. I'm sure that even in Lapangap issue, we will work together to resolve this issue. And of course, we ask the local people also to bear with us as well, at the same time to cooperate so that we can find a solution to this. And we are doing our best. At the same time, as I said, our meetings and discussions will happen very, very soon. So if I can change my programs, then we may leave in about a day or two to fix up a date to meet. But if that doesn't happen, then it will be about a week or 10 days later.
So down to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, and they are acting on.
So basically, just to, now that you've asked me this question. So last week when I was in Garo Hills for about 7-8 days, during that visit, this situation was obviously quite tense, and I was continuously in touch on the phone with the SP and the administration in West Jylla Hills, and continuous calls and discussions were being made with CEM Karbi Anglong. I was speaking myself with the local MLA and with Chief Minister Assam. And continuously for a day, 2 days, 3 days, I must have spoken to them more than 15-20 times during that phase, and that's how we managed to keep certain situations under control. So in spite of me not being in Shillong, I was in Tura, as I said, with local programs there. I kept my connection going and calls going, and we were able to keep situations under control. But the complexity is quite, is there. There's no doubt. I don't want to go into details, but CEM, District Council, also is cooperating. There are local issues that are there which need to be ironed out, and a few of more things need to be worked out. As I said, I don't want to go into details right now, but we are very much aware of the detailed issues that are there. But what I'm trying to tell you is that that we are in touch with everybody from this Chief Minister level. I'm coordinating personally, and even the CEM I'm coordinating personally, and the MLA I'm coordinating personally, and the administration is talking. So we've been at it for the last 10 days, I should tell you, and so this is not that I'm just sharing something for the press, but we have been working behind the scenes quite aggressively. Let's hope that we'll be able to resolve.